Now, let us look at what an orthogonal matrix is. A square matrix A of any order n by n is called an orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. If, what is the condition by which A will be called an orthogonal matrix? A times A transpose should be same as A transpose times A should be equal to an identity matrix. So if a matrix A multiplied by its transpose is same as A transpose times A is equal to an identity matrix, then we call the matrix as an orthogonal matrix. Other way to say is the inverse of the matrix should be same as A transpose. If A transpose is directly the inverse of the matrix A, then A is called an orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. So this is the basic definition of orthogonal matrix. So A times A transpose is equal to A transpose times A is equal to I, or A inverse is equal to A transpose. So what are the important properties that you need to keep in mind with respect to orthogonal matrices? First, so if A is orthogonal, implies A inverse is also orthogonal. If A is orthogonal, then A inverse is also orthogonal, and A transpose is also orthogonal. So A is orthogonal implies A transpose is also orthogonal, and A inverse is also orthogonal. Because if you interchange these two, A into A dash is equal to A dash A is equal to IN. So if you do the same thing with respect to A dash, so A dash A is also equal to A dash is equal to IN. So A is orthogonal implies A inverse. A transpose is also orthogonal, and A transpose is same as A inverse. Hence, if the matrix is orthogonal, its transpose, which is the same as inverse, are also orthogonal. Next, if A and B are orthogonal, so we have two matrices A and B which are orthogonal. The matrices AB and BA are also orthogonal. So you can prove this very easily. So we'll do it as part of a question. So if A and B are orthogonal, then both AB as well as BA are also orthogonal matrices. So these are the things that you need to know about orthogonal matrices so that you can be able to solve problems very easily.